Hey everyone, today I'm doing a quick sound and build review of the Arturia MicroFreak. And if you don't already own this, you have to buy it immediately. I have a lot of synths in my synth collection, and this thing is one of the coolest things I own, and the price point is ridiculous. Let's check it out here. It's a little bit of a plastic build, doesn't bother me at all. It's solid. The keypad is so unique and cool. I mean, look at this thing. It's touch sensitive. It's got these really cool graphics on there. You got a slide pad here. I mean, how cool is that? You got all these other crazy symbols that I don't know what they do yet. All kinds of different options, tons of presets. This thing is just the coolest thing. Some of the most unique sounds come out of it. Let's listen to some other ones. I mean, this packs so much punch in this little thing. I mean, just listen to that. At this price point, it's crazy. Let's see what else we got here. How cool is that? So tons of sounds. I could play the sounds all day, but let me show you the hookups in the back. You got headphones, you got output, CV gate out. You got the clock in and out, which is awesome if you want to MIDI sync clocks. MIDI in and out, USB power. This thing is just so cool. Do a few more sounds, and that's all I got for you today.